Are you sitting comfortably? Because it's Grandma's story time. Let's see what adventures we're going to get up to today. Say hello to baby animals. This baby lion is ready to go. He wants to find his friends and say hello. Baby giraffe looks hungry to me, licking the leaves that grow on the tree. Hello, baby giraffe. Lick, lick, lick. I can see a funny face. Can you see it too? It's a baby monkey and he's waving at you. Hello, baby monkey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Baby hippopotamus loves to keep cool. What a lot of noise when he jumps into the pool. Hello, baby hippo. Splish, splash, splosh. These little zebras love to run around, their hooves click, clickety-clack on the hard, dry ground. Hello, baby zebras. Click, clack, click, clack. Who's this going squawk, squawk, squawk? It's a baby parrot who loves to talk. Hello, baby parrot. Squawk, squawk, squawk. This baby elephant is having fun, squirting mud at everyone. Hello, baby elephant. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Here's a baby leopard walking down the track. Give him a roar and he'll roar back. Hello, baby leopard. Roar. What a lot of babies. Oh my, oh my. It must be time to say goodbye. Goodbye, baby monkey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Goodbye, baby giraffe. Lick, lick, lick. Goodbye, baby elephant. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Goodbye, baby hippo. Splish, splash, splosh. Goodbye, baby parrot. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Goodbye, baby zebras. Click, clack, clock. Goodbye, baby leopard. Roar. Look at baby lion, cuddled up tight. Purr very quietly and say good night. The end. Well, that was a lovely story of the lion going and seeing all of his little friends. Remember, Grandma loves you. Mwah, 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 mwah.